Alright, here is a 1974 Lakewood model P-42. I picked this fan up a couple years ago at a thrift store somewhere. It's in extremely good shape, besides having a couple minor scratches and a couple missing slats in the back grill. It's got the awesome Lakewood logo on the grill. Typical 4-rivet blade and Macmillan 3-amp motor. Paint's still very nice and shiny and clean. Basically, besides that little spot, that, and that, this fan is elsewhere in pretty much completely mint condition. Let's go ahead and fire it up. It's low. Actually got a really nice low to it. That noise is just the grill rattling a little bit. And high. I'll shut it off this way. I have tried it. The thermostat does work. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.